from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Hey, welcome back, everyone. Time now is 12:13. Marco, halfway through the day, and the fog is still sticking around. Usually it's lifted by this point.
Yeah, usually it lifts right about like 9 a.m.,
Yeah.
but it's been very, very dense today. And we did have an advisory out on this fog, but it has been lifted. Still seeing some areas having trouble with the fog.
A little bit of rain, too, it looks like on the tower cam in the Embassy Suites.
Very dreary today. Not really a day you possibly want to be outside, but we are going to continue to watch this fog lift, but we're also going to continue to watch as rain makes its way into our area. This is a look from downtown Embassy Suites tower camera. You can see that fog present over the Tennessee River, and again, that's slowly but surely lifting. Temperatures have not stopped rising. We're actually sitting in the mid 50s, upper 50s for some, 54 here in Knoxville, 59 in Middlesboro, 55 in Gatlinburg, 56 in Tellico Plains, 52 in Kingston, and 60 in Crossville. Now moving forward, we are expecting to see a little bit more rain arrive in our area. We did get a bit of a break earlier this morning, but this rain is starting to come on back, and we will continue to watch it move through, heading on into the rest of the afternoon, going on into the evening. Now some can see heavier downpours, some may even hear rumble of thunder or two. We're going to continue to monitor everything. The main thing we're watching though is the possibility for flooding. This is a look at our flood watch map here until about 7 p.m. All these counties highlighted in green have the potential to see flooding possible, especially some localized areas, so just be aware of that. Another thing we are watching is our severe threat. Now, our severe threat has really been concentrated towards the Southern Valley. This is a look region-wise. We're looking at just a 1 out of 5 threat for severe weather, but zooming in closer towards here, we do have that 1 out of 5 possible for the Southern Valley. So just be aware of that. This includes some gustier winds if conditions are right. So just be aware of that heading on into this afternoon. Again, flooding is possible. Our risk is that 2 out of 5 for all of us here in East Tennessee, especially some localized areas. So let's take a look at our timeline forecast starting now going into the rest of the day. Again, we do get that bit of a break this afternoon in some areas, not seeing rain until later on. And also, again, this rain is coming up from Georgia and Alabama. Now we'll continue to watch heavier showers kind of be concentrated towards the Southern Valley, so just be aware of that. We could see very heavy downbursts as well. We'll continue to watch this rain move through, as I mentioned before, really lasting until later on tonight. This is going to give way to about an inch, maybe half an inch of rainfall throughout the next 24 hours. And this is not including the rain we saw yesterday, or even the rain we're expecting to see going into this weekend. Yes, Saturday is another chance to see some showers and storms move through. We will be watching, especially Saturday afternoon, as a front slowly but surely approaches the area, pushing a bunch of moisture our way to where we have the potential to see storms and showers yet again. Now, we again are not under any severe threat level, but we are monitoring the chance to see some flooding, already under that 1 out of 4 risk for flooding here in the entire area, but we're not under that severe risk for any of our areas going into Saturday. So just right now, we're under that 1 out of 5 risk for the Southern Valley, McMinn and Monroe counties, and we are monitoring everything as we head further into this afternoon. Overall, though, going to see a lot of rain over the next 5 days, so just make sure you have your umbrellas and rain jackets handy and you have your weather notifications turned on. The good news is we'll see temperatures dropping back closer towards normal, and we'll actually start to see drier conditions heading on into next week. Allison?
Okay, we turn now to former President